I'm back for good this time, and I'm gonna be reinstalling my wig. Y'all finna watch me. I'm finna vent. I'm finna do a little bit of everything. So let's get into it. Child, Lord knows I need to. Bitch. My wig brushing there. I'll be right back. I gotta go get my comb. Lord Jesus Christ. I'm ready to put the hot comb to this. Jesus. And no, I don't do the wig cap method. It's just too much. You don't gotta do it. It's still gonna get scalped without the wig cap method. I don't know why people waste their time doing it. You know, y'all do what y'all do. Y'all make money. Y'all do what y'all do. I didn't know this wig had one of them in there. Oh Lord, child, I don't be paying attention at all. But yeah, you do not have to do the wig cap method, babe, at all. Cause y'all see how this giving scalp? Yeah, okay, yeah. No wig cap method, baby. Please play with me. First thing I'm gonna do is brush it out. I don't know if I should brush it out or fucking brush it out or comb it out. I really gotta start taking better care of my wigs when I put them in. Like, if y'all wear wigs or whatever, any hairstyle, I feel like you need to tie it down at night. Cause I don't be doing it. I got that bad. If you want it to last longer, tie it down at night. That's all I'm gonna say. Ooh, Lord. But let me talk to y'all while I'm doing my wig. Y'all ain't finna let y'all just watch me. Y'all know how they be doing on them, doing their wig videos, and y'all just be listening to the background music playing while y'all watching them install it. No, I'm really finna sit up here and talk to y'all. If I didn't have to go to work tomorrow, I really probably wouldn't be reinstalling this wig. I ain't even gonna lie. Cause what it is I gotta go to work tomorrow, and I may be staying in my job because it's supposed to be snowing real bad, or whatever the case may be. It's supposed to be snowing real bad tonight and tomorrow. Ooh. And they saying that if we go ahead and come, that we can spend the night. They're gonna provide the food in bed. They're gonna provide food in the bed. Okay, baby, you ain't gotta tell me twice. He said free food. Ah, okay, yeah. Whew. Okay, so I got it brushed out or whatever. Got it combed out. This wig still look good. It still look good. Oh Lord, I'm sorry. Oh Lord. Lord. Cut. I don't want that on my channel, y'all. I'm a positive person. I don't cuss. Girl, please let me be quiet. Let me shut up, line. Oh Lord. Let me shut up, line. But I might like. Okay, so let me tell y'all a little bit about myself. Cause like the video I did, dang near, I looked at the last video that I recorded, which is just only one video, but the last video I recorded was it was a Sheen haul or whatever, and it was like a year ago. I was been supposed to get on my YouTube stuff, but I be playing. I don't know why I be playing, but I'm here to stay. Yes, babe. Yes, I'm here to stay. And don't hate me, because I know how y'all girls like to rumble, but when I install my wigs, well, okay, so at first when I was doing my wigs, when I first started doing my own wigs, because I'm not about to pay $100 to $200 for an install, because y'all know y'all wrong with it. I'm not paying nobody no deposit, baby, because y'all know y'all wrong for how them deposits be looking. But anyways, When I first started doing my own hair, it was like sometime last year. The first thing I did was a quick weave, and it came out so fire. I'm gonna put the picture down here or the video or whatever. But it came out so fire. It was my first time doing it. It was real fire. It was a quick weave with a closure, and it was very fire. And ever since then, like, I probably did 2 more quick weaves, and I started doing just weaves off the bat. I'm gonna put in pictures of when I started versus what I be doing now, because I done got like 100 times better. Hair's like therapy for me, y'all. Like, I love doing it. It makes me feel so good. But yeah, so when I first started doing my wigs, I was putting a little hair glue or whatever. But now I just be using the spray. Let me show y'all the spray I use. It's a little dirty, but I be using this. This is the only thing I put on here to lay my wigs, and they be fire, baby, and they be giving scalp. Do you hear me? Scalp. Real life scalp. That and my makeup, and it be fire. And like, for me to only be using this will literally stay on my head for like a week, literally, before it started lifting or whatever. Like, and it'll stay on my head, like, for real. It'll really stay on my head. Let me get into the wig, because I gotta leave in a minute. The baby hair is really already still just a little curly, but let me go and put the hot comb on first, because I know I'm finna lay this hot comb to this. Let me do that first. If you ain't got a hot comb, what is you doing, baby? If you ain't got a hot comb and a wax stick, what is you doing, baby? What is you doing? And to the girls out there learning how to do their wigs, don't give up, baby. Because the more you practice, the better you'll get. I promise, baby. I'm a good example. I promise. Now, I ain't just the best. I ain't saying I'm the best. I ain't being cocky. But I'm saying I'm 10 times better than what I was from when I first started. Is you on, sis? Okay. So I'm going to let that get hot up. I'm gonna play it, yeah, it's true. I'm gonna insert a video here when I first did it. I feel like no install is better than the first install you done did with that wig. That's just how I feel. But yeah. But like, I do other people's hair too. And when I do other people's hair, I use this, and then I use Ghost Bond too, because I'm not just gonna put this on their head. I just do that for myself. You know, you're different with yourself versus your clients or whatever. But yeah. So let me tell y'all a little about myself. Let me tell y'all something about me. Let me tell y'all. I just turned 18 in May. I've been doing my hair since last year, so I guess you could say I've been doing hair since last year too. I guess you could say that. I wanna go to hair school soon, not so they can show me how to do wigs, because y'all know cosmetology school do not show you how to install wigs. They show you how to do the basic stuff like dyeing hair, clipping, cutting hair, and all that good jazz. They don't show you how to install a wig. I feel like that's wig classes. If we being truthful, that's wig classes. That is wig classes. No, I don't know. I would take a wig class, like, just to get better, because it's always room for improvement. Always. But y'all, I guess I use a whole bunch of this when I stop. Oh. Keeping it PG. Because ain't no telling who might watch me, you know? So yeah, I do want to go to hair school soon. I was supposed to go to hair school last fall, but mental issues. So, you know, I feel like if you ain't right mentally, I'm not gonna say if you aren't right, but if you're not feeling good mentally, or if you're just not there, don't put yourself into a situation, you know? And so I wouldn't have went to hair school then. I feel like I would have ASS everything. So yeah, just wait on your time, baby. Don't rush it, especially if you're not in a good place mentally. I'm glad I didn't do it then, cause But yeah, I'm really thinking about hair school in the fall. We gonna see though. My channel to be a little bit about everything, not just hair, like everything. It needs to be about everything. So that's what we're gonna do. Like, I'm gonna be giving y'all vlogs. I got a couple trips I'm finna go on this summer, like for my birthday, for my best friend's birthday. So we're gonna see y'all. It's gonna be fun. This ain't gonna be no little boring channel. It's gonna be real raw and uncut too, baby. Yeah. Real raw and uncut, babe. I feel like I installed my wig different versus from how everybody else do theirs. But it's fine though. Everybody got a way they do their own thing. So, you know. And when y'all doing y'all hair, do not cut the lace in a straight line. Make sure you zigzag it. Like, don't just, because if you, it's going to be easy. It's going to be noticeable. I feel like your lace more noticeable than Hold on, baby, because the scalp is giving everything it's supposed to give. Let me go over this one more time. I was trying too hard. I'm out here living though. I'm out here living though. But yeah, I just feel like I need to do YouTube because I'm not doing anything better with my life. Plus, I like money, so I'm finna get on this joint. Oh my God, when I say it's giving scalp mine, I was gonna bring my ring light in here at first. I didn't feel like doing all that though. I might just curl my hair before I do my hot comb. I was trying too hard. Ooh, that jump hot, baby. You know, cool. Ooh, Lord. I got you on cool. Oh, no, I didn't. I ain't have no cool. probably not finna cry. I like how I look right now. Just gonna hot comb it. And then that's it. Hot comb it and then do my edges. Get my wax stick. Wax stick for the win. You ain't got no wax stick. What you doing, babe? For real. Like, come on. But yeah, so on my channel, y'all see vlogs. Y'all see hair. Y'all gonna see my natural hair too. Y'all gonna see hair. Y'all gonna see natural hair. Y'all gonna see wigs. Y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see my friends. Y'all gonna see my family. Y'all, I wanna do a lot of mukbangs. Like, cause I eat. Baby, I make sure that wax stick can take. Do you hear me? I'm waiting on the hot comb. Okay, it's hot. Y'all, today was boring, and then I was just like, I need to, since I'm finna reinstall my wig, I need to videotape it, like, for real. Like, I feel like if you're not doing nothing, do something. And I just feel like I don't be doing nothing. Like, I work a lot, but other than that, I don't do anything. And I love making money, so let me hop on this YouTube try and get some money. Cause that's what y'all doing. Y'all getting that little money, that little free money, baby. Cause you ain't doing nothing but recording videos. Girl. So like when I first did this wig and I had it on a doll head and I was doing it or whatever, I hot combed it. But maybe I shouldn't have did that because it's like when I hot combed it on my head, it looked way better. Way better. Is the top giving flat? Yes, it's giving flat. But yeah, let me take this off so I can do my edges and then we're done, babes. You got something all the girls want. Wait a minute. Let me get my... 223 Make Body. Okay, so y'all, I'm done. I'm about to clean my bathroom up because it look a mess, and I'm finna go. So I'll see y'all on my next video, and it won't be too long like last time, baby, because it was a year ago. I was playing, but I'll be back. Kisses. The real Kylie. Oh, y'all, I ain't show y'all skin and scalp. My bad. But deuces. Tune in again to the real Kylie.